Distinguished delegates, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to have the opportunity to address this 53rd session of the International Tropical Timber Council on behalf of Ms. Christiana Paschke-Palmer, Executive Secretary of the Convention on Biological Diversity. Since 2010, ITTO and the CBD have been working together to promote the joint initiative on tropical forest biodiversity. Under this initiative, 16 projects in 26 countries have been developed with the support of donors from another 5 countries to promote the conservation, restoration and sustainable management of forest biodiversity. Today, we're very proud to present together an example of the fruits of our cooperation through the publication Bright Green Hotspots, the outcomes of the Emerald Triangle Protected Forest Complex project. Through this project, Thailand, Cambodia and Lao People's Democratic Republic have cooperated to protect and restore forest biodiversity. In a region where few intact forests remain, the importance of this transboundary project cannot be overstated. The project will enable large endangered mammals such as tigers, sorau, banteng and gaur to sustain their populations. These are iconic species, but these and other species also perform fundamental roles in the functioning of the forest ecosystem, contributing to its resilience and supporting the continued provision of critical ecosystem services, water, food, fibre, fuel, and carbon sequestration. The project is thus a major contribution not only in the battle against the loss of biodiversity, but also the battle against climate change. Transboundary protected areas require the international negotiation and alignment of national priorities among many different sectors and stakeholders. I'd like to congratulate the countries involved in this effort who have taken major strides to enhance transnational and cross-sectoral coordination in support of their biodiversity and forest commitments. We hope and anticipate that the findings of this project will provide valuable insights for other countries in the region and beyond. And let me take this opportunity to express my thanks to the ITTO Secretariat for its continued collaboration and strong partnership with the Convention. We're committed to continuing and strengthening the joint initiative. Indeed, the Conference of the Parties of the Convention, at its meeting last year in Cancun, Mexico, called for strengthened cooperation among all the member organisations of the Collaborative Partnership on Forests to support the achievement of the forest-related Aichi biodiversity targets and other forest-related multilateral goals and commitments. We have just 3 years to achieve the Aichi biodiversity targets and the corresponding targets of the Sustainable Development Goals. The path ahead requires concerted efforts of producers and consumers, of governments, local communities and businesses. To this end, also in Cancun, ministers of forestry and environment, among others, came together to commit to work together at all levels within governments and across all sectors to mainstream biodiversity. And in this context, ITTO can play a critical role in setting an enabling environment to foster the positive changes needed. We look forward to continuing to work with the Council and the Secretariat to accelerate efforts towards our 2020 targets. Also, as we look beyond the decade, we invite you all to contribute to the development of the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework. Thank you very much.